Hello, I'm Carrie Flanagan with CraveBooks. Are you interested in getting more readers to see your books? Of course you are. Well, have you ever considered using the CraveBooks Daily Deal newsletters? If you haven't, this is a great way to get your book in front of new readers. And I'm going to show you how you can do that. First of all, you need to sign up for a CraveBooks author account if you haven't done that already. And once you do that, you will go to your CraveBooks dashboard, which looks like this. And this has all your information, all your author information, and where you can add your books. But to get signed up for CraveBooks Daily Deal, you're going to go to the Smart Promotion page. You're going to choose the book that you want to include in a Daily Deal newsletter, or maybe you want to do a few of them at one time, which you can absolutely do here on the easy to use platform. So I'm going to scroll down to where the Daily Deal promotions are. And what these do is when you sign up for one of these lists, your book gets included in an email that goes out to readers who have signed up to receive those promotion newsletters. So let me show you what one of those looks like, and then we will come back to this page. So here's one that came into my email box. So it will show the cover, it will show the websites where the book is available, and what is, if there's a deal on it, what the cost is. You don't have to have them for free. These two books just happen to be offered for free, but you can have it priced at 99 cents or $2.99. You can price the book at whatever you want. There's no restrictions on that. And then the reader can click on the links. So if I go click for more retailers, it'll show the CraveBooks site. And if there's other retailers, then those will show up here on that site. So let me show you how we can get signed up for those. So once again, in your dashboard, go to Smart Promotions, and I've already chosen my book. So I'm going to sign up for a CraveBooks Daily Deal, and I'm going to do a Nebula. I'm going to show you two. I can do as many as I want from here, but I'm just going to show you the two. And you'll see on the right, the promotions that I selected are there with their price, and it gives me a total. I'm going to go to next. And here I select the promotion date that I want for those newsletters to go out. So maybe you have a special going on and you want to make sure it hits on that day. You have control over when this promotion is sent out. Now, you can, the only limit that you have in terms of how often you can do this is every 30 days. So you can't do this every 2 weeks. So every 30 days, you can run the same type of promotion to this, on the same daily deal. So I'm gonna pick, let's see, April 4th for the CraveBooks one. And there's other options here, like if you want your book to show up at the top of the newsletter, or you want featured placement, you can choose these extras as part of your daily deal sign up, you know, opt in to the reader thank you page. So you can look through those. The little info button next to those will explain more about those. If you are a platinum member, your 10% discount automatically shows up here, so you don't have to worry about that, which is nice. All right, so I have the CraveBooks one set for April 4th. The Nebula, I'm going to set up for April 8th. These are grayed out because I have one scheduled in March, so it's not allowing me. Like I said, you can only do it every 30 days. So I'm going to set that one for April 8th. And then I'm going to go ahead and go check out. So here you can see on the checkout page, it is showing me what I have signed up for. So we have the CraveBooks promotion on April 4th and the Nebula scheduled for April 8th. And then if I have any promotional credits, those would be here and I can use those and that would drop the price down. If you want to sign up for an hour of consulting with me, you can do that here. You can donate to any of our charities, and then you would go ahead and check out. And then what's going to happen is here on your calendar on the left, it will show you the promotions you have signed up for. I didn't sign up for those because I don't want those scheduled, but you can see on my calendar the promotions that I have signed up for my books. So I have different ones here. So this is just really handy to see what I have going on. And then when I want to come back in to schedule more in the future, I'll know when I did some previously, and then I can look to the future to see if I have other ones scheduled. And if not, I can go ahead and schedule those. So that is how you sign up for a CraveBooks daily deal, which will help drive readers to your books and hopefully increase your book sales. Happy marketing.